Baby, what you doing? I'm hungry.
Wait. Let me talk to my audience. Guys, you like a good rosé? So basically, my husband and I have a ritual where we try to make sure that over the weekend, whether it's a Saturday or a Sunday, we definitely go out for one meal, which is a date with some fancy food. But today is one of those days where it's raining and we're a little lazy, and we ordered some Italian food which we love from two different places which I completely recommend in Mumbai, and of course some rosé with it. Could you please show your wine, Gabe? Otherwise people will think I'm eating all this on my own.
Cheers, baby.
There, cheers. He's not willing to show himself on camera, but let me show you what we're going to eat. Before that, let me tell you, we have wine. This is a home date. Some mood lighting. And then two children who will wake up the moment they smell the food. I've already unpacked from one restaurant. This is from Mangifera in Juhu. This is some chicken roulade with a side of potatoes and beans and some risotto. And then I'm going to open this. This is from Chin Chin, which is in BKC, which is Bandra Kurla Complex. This video is very difficult. I am so hungry. Anyway, so this is a rigatoni. How do you pronounce it?
Rigatoni.
Okay. This is some rigatoni.
Rigatoni.
A rigatoni with some cheese. And here is some carpaccio. So basically this and this is from Chin Chin, which is in BKC, Bandra Kurla Complex. And this is from Mangifera, which is in Juhu. And we shall eat. So now I'm going to start with the carpaccio. Hello. Sit. You're scared of spoons. Let's see. Amazing. So carpaccio, is it Chio or Shio?
Chio.
Carpaccio is from Chin Chin. It's amazing. Some rigatoni. Rigatoni with some of this. The neighbors are allowed to come to their own house. Ene, come. Distract them with the food. Now I'm going to try the rigatoni. Tony or Tony gave? Rigatoni. This is again from Chin Chin in Bandra Kurla Complex. Beautiful, subtle, beautiful, comforting, happy hormones. Okay. Now let's try some of this truffle mushroom risotto. This is from Mangifera in Juhu. This is too good, yeah. I should please make sure I don't take more than this. It is amazing. It's a vegetarian dish. It's amazing. So the rigatoni and the risotto, those are veg and they're amazing. I'm going to try some of the chicken roulade. Is that the right pronunciation? Right. He's nodded.
Yes, baby.
Okay. Let's take some roulade, some gravy. I'm going to take some potatoes and some beans. I'm happy there's more potato and less beans. Let's make a perfect bite out of this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I'm not a big fan of chicken breasts. My husband likes the breast pieces and I like the legs and thighs. So we never have to fight over chicken pieces. But this breast piece in the chicken roulade from Mangifera is juicy and it's just, this is right. This is right. It's amazing. So anyway, I'm recommending these two places for you to go and eat in Mumbai. If you like Italian food, one is Chin Chin, which is in BKC Bandra Kurla complex, and Mangifera, which is in Juhu. Google them. I just thought let's bring the weekend date at home. Do try these two places and let me know how you like them. Okay, I'm gonna go back to eating. Take care. Cheers.